In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change color by another object's location. This is a simple scene with two sphere and a curve circle. If you don't see the curve circle in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Press Shift-D to duplicate. On the second sphere, I'll add a follow path constraint like this. I'll unhide the original meshes and show you the material details. I found this while experimenting with other node settings. Here are the full nodes, and please ignore the gradient texture and color ramp nodes below. These two bottom nodes were added in order to demonstrate how they won't rotate the color at all. We're using this second sphere as the object, to change the color of the first by the location of the second sphere. But for some reason, this effect only seems to work with a hue and saturation node. I have tried other combinations, but they wouldn't change the color at all. I'll show you what happens when we add the bottom two nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.